Hey, my sisters in the Lord, this is your girl and sister Gina back with y'all with a new modestly beautiful segment. This is going to be a quick one. I'm so sorry. I recorded half of this video, which is why you see me talking on occasion. I had no idea that it recorded in time lapse, so it fast forwarded when recorded instead of recording in the regular. So this is why y'all seeing some really fast scenes right now, but it's all good. We're going to keep pressing on. I really wanted to show you guys a modest outfit that I have on today. Hopefully I can be able to show you guys some of that footage. So my makeup is like already halfway done right now. So please excuse my face right now. I've already done my eyes. I've already put my Control Freak eyebrow gel so it could set before I do my eyebrows. And I'm about to blend my foundation right now. If I can find my blender brush. I'm rushing. Oh my goodness. Okay, I found it. So yeah, I was trying to do a quick video. So I hope y'all have been well. I'm probably not going to chat much in this video because I want it to be a quick one. I just want to really just show you guys the outfit of a modest tip that you can use, because you know nowadays it's hard to find clothing that are modest. You know, everything's getting tighter, everything's getting see-through, everything's getting shorter. It's crazy. But it's not impossible. One of the things I found that I've had to, you know, sacrifice about is, you know, that dressing modest means that sometimes you may have to wear more layers than you would prefer to if it's hot weather in the summertime. But it's okay. God will give us strength to get through the heat. I know I'm sweating right now as I'm doing my makeup, but we're doing it to honor the Lord, and we're doing it to be, you know, to respect our bodies, the temple that God gave us, to respect our brothers in the Lord, and not be assembling to them, and also be an example to our sisters in the Lord that, hey, you can dress fashionable and still be modest and cover up your body and not feel like you have to show your shape. You know, you can still be proud of who God made you to be and still be covered up at the same time. I never have been someone who's had a thin shape. And as I've gotten older, you know, I've gotten more of a shape, and I'm proud of that, but I also have to be honest that with myself, that, you know, I need to be more cautious about what I'm wearing too, as a Christian woman, as a woman of God, as someone who wants to grow as being a woman of God. So I hope you guys like the outfit that I have on today. I'll try to get y'all some footage because I'm running behind now, which is the story of my life. I'm going to stop talking now and try to hurry up and do my makeup. Hopefully with this new setup, you guys can see me do my makeup a little bit better than the other times. It's crazy that like after, when you've done your makeup, or when you showered and you're doing your makeup, you're sweating. Literally right after or as you're doing your makeup. I'm like, oh my goodness. It almost feels pointless to shower when it's this hot, y'all. One thing I like about this foundation that I told y'all about, the Clinique Stay Matte oil-free one, is that for the most part, my makeup stays in place. I don't have oily skin, but I have to be cautious of the fact that I sweat a lot, especially even like 10 times more in the summertime. I still need, even though I have dry skin, I still need a foundation or makeup that will stay in place, but yet be moisturizing, and that's why I like the foundation that I use. Sweating. Woo! Oh my goodness. Oh yeah, and clearly as y'all can see, you know, I have my natural hair out. Usually during the summertime, I have my natural hair out. I like to let it breathe. I have 4C hair type, so my hair always appears way shorter than the actual. It shrinks 75% what my actual length is. I did cut the sides a little bit and a little bit back here at the barber shop last weekend when I took my hair out. Maybe one day I'll be able to show y'all a video of me doing twist outs, taking out twist outs. I tried to do that last weekend, but it didn't work either. Oh, Lord have mercy. I've tried for y'all, I really have. Let's see, what else should I do? I'm put on the Golden Child Super Shock Cheek Color Pop highlighter on my cheek just a little bit, just so I can glisten a little bit, since it's a mattifying foundation. I'm gonna use this NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in Dubai. It's a brown, it's a natural brown. I'm gonna have more of a natural look with this eye look. I don't want a glossy look, so I'm gonna put on this Milani Amore Shine lip color in Temptation. Sometimes I hate the names of these makeup brands. I don't know why. They do what they do. I know y'all know I usually use my NYX spray, but I went to Whole Foods a couple weekends ago and I had ran out of my NYX spray, and I was trying to get something that was more closer by to me or more convenient, since I was at Whole Foods, and I got this rose water and glycerin, which is in another product that I use by Mario Badescu. They have a rose water one, and it was pretty affordable, and I like it so much because it's more of a natural product, and it's something I could spray on after the gym if I have no makeup on. Because it has rose water in it, it really feels like it nourishes my skin from the inside out, and I feel like my skin has looked more clearer and more moisturized. I think it's a better word. So I really like this, and I think I'm going to be buying this from now on instead of the NYX Dewy, because, you know, some of these brands, they have more chemicals in it, but this is more of a natural one that still gives me the same finish. Alright, y'all, so I'm going to take you outside so y'all can see my outfit before I have to leave, okay? Alright, y'all, 2 modest tips for the summertime. Kimonos, they give really good coverage. Midi skirts are good for length, but you have to be wise about it being form-fitting. Put the 2 together and you are modestly beautiful. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and this outfit. God bless you guys. Please subscribe if you like this. Bye.